Hi guys, today we are unboxing a game called Dr. Eureka. It's for age 8 and up, 1 to 4 players. Let's open. Seal. It's open. I'm gonna take out the balls. Wow, let's count how many test tubes there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now let's count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And there are also some cards. Let's see the instructions.
So yes, we can play this game from 1 to 4 players. So right now two of us are playing here. So here's the card deck which shows different combinations. See, you can see it here, and we will put it in the center, and each player will get 3 test tubes with 2 balls of each color. So let's see how do we do that. And the trick is you don't have to you don't have to drop the ball or touch the ball. If you drop or touch the ball, you are out. So let's see how do we do that. So we open this card. This is the combination. This is the combination. Let's play, right? Okay. So whoever does it first is the winner.
Done.
Oh, I lost it. See, so it's simple. Once that's the now we can keep this card in the end, and you can play again, rearrange the balls, and you can play again. It's fun. It's more of hand and eyes coordination for the kids. So I guess you will love it. Thank you.